Hi friends, can we eat chicken bird flu time? Let's discuss in this video. There are various strains of this virus, but the one that infects humans is H5N1. It causes severe respiratory problems. How does it spread from birds to humans? People working with birds are at the highest risk of getting infected. However, it does not transmit from one human to another. Common symptoms associated with the infection are sore throat, high fever, body pains and, in serious cases, it progresses to acute respiratory distress syndrome. Do we need to worry? Yes, absolutely. In severe respiratory cases, the death rate up to 60%. So be cautious. Another concern is that if it mutates and becomes transmissible from one human to another, then we may have another pandemic. Is it safe to eat chicken and eggs during this bird flu season? Yes, we can eat chicken and eggs, but with proper precautions. According to WHO, the meat should cook properly. The virus will die if cooked at 70 degrees heat for more time. Please follow these experts' tips. Cook for at least 30 minutes after temperatures reach 70 degrees Celsius. Avoid buying from open mandis, markets where there is a high chance of getting an infected bird. Avoid going to unhygiene markets. Wash your hands properly after handling of raw meat. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for interesting updates.